Hello, my name is Abhijit Dilip Karmalkar and today's date is 15 December 2021 and today's video topic is final keyword and static keyword. So sorry, it's two super keyword. So firstly we will see a final keyword in a Java. The final keyword in a Java is used to restrict the user. The final keyword can be used in many contexts. Final like variable, method, and class. The final keyword can be applied with the variable. A final keyword that have no value, it is called a blank final variable or utilized final variable. It can be initialized in the constructor only. Uh, the blank final variable can be static also, which will be initialized in the static block only. We will have delayed learning of this. We will let's first learn a basic final keyword. So first is a final variable. If you make any variable as a final, you cannot change the value of a final variable. It will be constant. And second is the final method. You make any method as a final, you cannot override it. And third is the Java final class. If you make any class as a final, you cannot extend it. The final method, example of a final method, we will create a class bike, and that method has make a final. In the class, the make method has give final while run, and in that method we will print a sysout running. Second class is extend to bike. Second class name is Honda extend to bike. In that method, in that class we will create a method void run, and we will print a sysout running 100 km, and we will create a main method. In that create a object Honda is equal to new Honda, and we will display method like Honda dot run, and we will in that example we will get compile time error. So Java final class, what is a method, what is a example of a final class? The firstly we will create a class that name is a bike, and we'll no print blank class, and we will create a new class that is name is Honda 1 and extend with bike. And in that main method we will create an object, new object, and we will print a Honda.run, and we will get a compile time error. Uh, these are the example of final keyword. And we will nextly move a super keyword. What is a super keyword? Super keyword is in Java is a reference which is used to refer immediately parent class object, and whenever we create an instance subclass instance of a parent class is created, which referred by super reference variable. Uses of a super keyword can be refers parent class instance variable. Super can use the invoke parent class method, and super can be used to invoke parent class constructor. So these are the three important points in that super keyword. Super keyword is used to refer parent class instance variable that are example is a class. We will create a class animal, and second class dog extend with animal, and we will create a string color is equal to in double quote blank, and we'll create a method print a color, and in main method we'll create a object dog d is equal to new dog, and print display a print method. So these are the super class we will see, uh, and next example of a super class is a class bike is we will create a class bike that compile to class bike 2, and super is a keyword that are properties access to parent in a child. So these are the two example, and these are the two keywords in Java. Thank you.